In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add a clickable hyperlink to an image in Microsoft Word. If you create reports, proposals, or handouts, linking a logo or picture to a website is a simple way to make your document more interactive and helpful. Start by working with the image you want to use. You can insert a new picture into your Word document, or simply select one that's already there. Click the image so it's highlighted. You should see small handles or a border around it, which tells you Word has it selected and is ready for the next step. This selection is important. Word will only apply the link to the object that's currently active. Now, right-click directly on the image. In the menu that appears, choose Link or Hyperlink, depending on what your version of Word calls it. Some builds label it Link, while others use Hyperlink, but they open the same dialog. If you don't see that option, make sure you actually clicked on the picture itself and not a nearby text area. Right-clicking on the correct object ensures you're editing the link for the image, not for the surrounding content. The Insert Hyperlink dialog box will open. On the left side, look for the section labeled Link to. Make sure existing file or web page is selected. This choice tells Word that the link should go out to a website or an external file, rather than to a place within the same document or to an email address. Picking the correct category is key because it enables the address field you'll use for a standard web link. Next, move to the address box at the bottom of the window. Paste or type the full website URL that you want the image to open. Using the complete address, including HTTPS, helps avoid errors and ensures Word directs readers to the correct page. You can copy the link from your browser and paste it here, then give it a quick look to catch any typos or extra spaces. Clean, accurate URLs make for reliable clicks. When you're satisfied with the address, click OK to apply the hyperlink. That's it. Your image is now a clickable element in the document. Readers will be able to follow the link by interacting with the picture, and depending on their Word settings, they may see a tooltip or need to use a modifier key when clicking. Keep in mind that linked images don't usually show an underline or color change, so placing the image where it naturally suggests a click can improve usability. You've successfully linked an image to a web page in Word with a quick, clean workflow.